excited to meet you at my channel, my friend. My name is Leonard Manzi, and today I'm going to show you a site that pays you $5 for just signing up. I'm going to show you a site that gives you $5 just for signing up. Right, my channel is all about making money on the internet and leveraging the power of the internet to make money. I'm sure you are also looking for ways and means of harnessing the power of the internet to make money. If that is you, my friend, then you are the correct person watching the correct channel right now. Click that subscribe button and that notification bell so that you can know it each time and every time I drop a video. Yes, my friend, I'm going to show you a site that is going to give you $5 just for signing up, and you get even more as you do some other activities on that site. And this site, my friend, is called Inbox Dollars. This is the official site for Inbox Dollars. You can see that it is a secure website, right? And it's got that padlock, right? And it has got fantastic ratings. Before I give you the details on this website, let me take you to the reviews. You can see that 7,683 reviews have been dropped on this site, about this site, right? And you can see, my friend, that it's 4-star, 4-star, 5-star, 4-star, and so forth. It has a fantastic rating. Okay, so you can dig more and find out more about this, but this site is a legit site. 7,683 people are having joy with this site. Okay, so what is happening on this site? How are the people making money on this site? Right, it says, be rewarded for watching TV. Be rewarded for taking surveys. Be rewarded for shopping and getting cash offers. Okay, right? So you sign up right here, you join for free, and you get a bonus of $5 signing up right here. Okay, and cash for your everyday online activities, right? You can watch the little video right here, which is an overview of the whole site. Okay, but how does it work? There are some online surveys that pay $10, $20, and even more if you match the demographic profile they are looking for. Okay, taking surveys for money is a fun and a popular way of earning money, to earn money. Who doesn't want to earn survey money for their opinions, right? So you can get paid good money. Look at that. $10, $20, and even more just for dropping your opinion. Okay, right? You are also paid for watching videos. Big brand companies want consumers to watch short snippets of their content, like movie trailers and new product features. They pay us, and we share a portion of those earnings with you, right? So you watch those videos and you get paid. You get rewarded for playing games. We feature a wide array of our own games like Monkey Bubble Shooter, Solitaire, Outspell, and Candy Jam. In addition, we partner with GSN Casino to offer you access to hundreds of GSN games, right? So you get, then he says here, for every dollar you spend on GSN games, you earn 18% cashback with Inbox Dollars. Cashback for online shopping. Earn cashback while you shop online. Get free samples and discounts from top brands and more. We'll also share with you our insider savings tips on where to find the best free stuff online. Get paid to read emails. Receive our best offers directly to your email, and we'll pay you cash just for reading them. Okay? Get access to free coupons for groceries, home beauty, and more. Use them to save money on your everyday purchases while also earning cashback in your account for every coupon you redeem. All right, so over $59 million has already been paid in rewards. We've seen that one, okay? The reviews. Look at the partners. Netflix is here. Target is here. Walmart is here. All right. Inbox Dollars makes it simple to earn money online, okay? Since 2000, Inbox Dollars has paid over 59 million in cash rewards to its members for doing everyday online activities like reading emails, taking online surveys, playing games, and watching videos and watching TV. Our community allows members to influence future products and services by completing their everyday tasks from our market research partners. We also have ongoing promos and contests for our members to win money online. And we share top ways of our members to get beauty samples, free printable coupons, and free stuff online. Right, you can read more. Get an instant $5 sign-up bonus today, and then you sign up right there. Okay, so this is how you get paid by this site, my friend. Okay, so by just signing up, you're getting a free $5 bonus. Okay, if you are in England, you've got your own site, which is Inbox Pounds, right? It's the same process, all right? So you can see a scene on BBC News, on Yahoo Finance, right? So this is quite a popular site. And the partners, the people who bring business to this site, Ledbrokes Bingo, the Harris Poll, audible.co.uk, this is Amazon. You can see, my friend, that this site is a cool site. You can collect some few bucks here and there, right? By just watching television, reading email, and doing those surveys, and you are paid for your opinion, right? But let me announce to you, my friend, that there is a way you can make more money on AutoPilot. You can make money whilst you are asleep. You can make money whilst you are traveling on vacation. You can make money whilst you are spending quality time with your loved ones, with your family, with your wife, with your husband, yes? And you can build a business that runs on AutoPilot. All what you need is the exposure and the education and to see who can show you the way. All what you need is someone to show you what to do. What you know so far, someone showed you. You can learn how to set a business in motion that can go to work for you 24/7 whilst you are asleep, whilst you are traveling, right? And that is through affiliate marketing. And I want to introduce you to my mentor, right? So you are shown how to build your income from zero to whatever amount you want. You click the link in the description below, and then you get access to my mentor. If you found value in this video, let me know in the comments below.